Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about the new feature enhanced in shipping and label generation. As you can see on the screen, we have to go to order listing page. We have this order shipment button, click here. Now you can search for the order number. Then click on package configuration here. In the next step, you will see two types of shipment, order-wise and product-wise. Here, we will see product-wise. In this order, we have 3 different products, so we can create shipping package according to us. So, let's create the packages. After the package is created, we have to select all the shipping packages and click on Save. Now, in order to generate label, check the box here. Select shipping method from the drop-down options, then, select shipping type. If we select UPS in the shipping method, it will ask for label generation via API, enable it. After this, we can update order status from here only by enabling Update Order Status button. Select status as shipped from the drop-down. To notify the customer, check the box and click on Submit. Once we clicked on Submit, we can see label has been downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please drop us an email to support@onprintshop.com.